Hi, I'm Kathleen Good, host of In the Women's Room, here to share how I'm coping in the age of coronavirus. In the Women's Room is not really a cooking show, but a women's issues and concerns show. Food is a really big issue for women right now. Women are holding it all together in this time of crisis, as they always have held civilization together. Many women who have lost family income are even more food insecure and are stressing about how to feed their families and how to keep them healthy and safe. Others, quite reasonably, are afraid to go to the grocery store. Because we are all in this together, today I'd like to make a small contribution to food insecurity by telling you how I make my own nutrient-rich vegetable broth out of the peelings of the very same vegetables that were used to make the soup. It's a way to extend all the ingredients we have available while adding a depth of flavor and nourishment. It's really easy. First, scrub the vegetables well before peeling and cut out any icky areas. Then fill a pot with water. Next, throw in any peelings you have. You can also pre-save them in a plastic container in the fridge. What should you put in? Well, potato, turnip, or rutabaga peelings, lettuce, parsley stems, fennel, carrot. Add bits of celery, the celery heart, as well as onions, or even their skins work. A bay leaf or two, maybe thyme or another herb, and some salt. You can use just about anything. However, I don't use vegetables like broccoli, kale, or cauliflower that have a strong taste, in case I use it for a more delicately flavored soup. Simmer for a few hours and then strain. You can use it right away or put it into freezer containers and save for later. Avoid trips to the store. Recycle anything you can to make healthy, nutritious food. Once you get the hang of it, it's really easy.